Excel ribbon and their commands. Normal view. Normal view is a worksheet view on screen that maximizes the number of cells visible on your screen so that all editing in cells are done in this view. Page break preview. This view lets you to see the print area clearly with all the page breaks identified with a mark. We can change this print mark to fit our data. Page number is shown, so printing is simple. Page layout. Page layout is useful for printing Excel spreadsheets correctly. This command lets you to preview the output what you print. Custom views. The custom view saves specific display settings and print settings for a worksheet so that you can quickly apply these settings to the worksheet. Display settings such as hidden rows and columns, cell selections, filter settings and window settings, and printing settings such as page settings, margins, headers and footers, and sheet settings, etc. Here given a sample data. Now the view is in normal. In normal we can see the full data, and in page break preview we can see the page number and around each pages we can see the print mark, a blue mark. These print marks are automatically given and is on the basis of the page size. In page layout we can see the page size. Now the going on page size is A4 size. We can change this size to anyone from the list. Example I am giving to legal. Okay, the page size is changed, so the print mark is also changed. Again I am giving the size to letter. Okay, the print mark is also changed. In addition to these predefined sizes given in the list, we can change the page size as custom. Example, I am changing the print mark . By this way we can change any page size as per our needs. Next one, page layout. In page layout we can give header and footer. In custom views we can create and set different views. Example, custom view. From this data I already created 3 views. I will show you their uses. Example, in view 1, show. Second one, view 2. Here we can see in data a few columns are hidden, and in third view, view 3. In this view we can see only 40 rows are shown, the rest of the rows are hidden.